Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jason. I am the host for this channel. This channel's purpose is to help entrepreneurs take most and full advantage of the time that they have and the space that they can control in order to get better results with focus, productivity in general, and clarity. So I hope you guys watch this video, learn something from it. This is actually one of the strategies that I have in my guidebook, and I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can check that out. I highly recommend that you check that out before you watch this video so you can get as much value from that. And if you have any questions about a specific strategy that you want me to go over, I'll be doing that through this video and through the other videos that I'm gonna be releasing for each strategy. So if you have any questions or you want to just see some examples that I have and some of the ways that I've implemented into my own life, you can check out the videos that I will be releasing on these specific strategies. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. All right, so this strategy I titled Simplify Everything. You probably have a lot of things to do, and when you come across different activities that you're doing, you want to always make sure that you know the outcome. The outcome will determine the purpose, and the purpose will set in motion the activities and the tasks that need to be done in order to accomplish that specific goal that you have. Now, there's a lot of things that you could be doing in a day, and I always try to recommend and encourage you to find the exact purpose that you want in the time that you have. So for example, if you have like an hourly, if you want to work on an hourly basis, I highly recommend that you set aside each hour for different purposes and for different activities so that you are not following through with anything that you have to be doing. Now, uncertainty and clouded judgment is one big key with having so many different purposes, and you want to simplify as much as possible the one thing that you have to get done. That way you don't waste any time getting to work and being able to execute on your goals as soon as possible. Now, with uncertainty, you get timidness, and like I said before, if you have to think about it, that's going to waste time, and also you're not going to be as sure as you were when you first think about and plan out the day ahead of time. So what do we do here? So this is what I would do. I would identify one purpose per hour for the work hours. And you don't have to plan out the entire day and follow through exactly the way it is. But if you write down one purpose per hour that you're working, you will be focused as much as possible, and you won't be distracted by doing other activities that aren't really serving your goals and your purposes for that hour. Once you do that, you'll find that you have clear boundaries. And like I said, with the strategy that I also did a video on, where you keep your workspace sacred, with clear boundaries, you have clear expectations and goals. And so once you set that hourly scheduled block and the purpose behind each block, you'll be able to focus more and to identify that once you get into the flow of doing these things. So so that's how you do it, and I would highly encourage you guys to really look at your schedule, to look at your day-to-day events and activities, and to determine the purpose. By doing that, it will make everything more clear, and it will help to really go through that process of thinking about what you need to do so that you don't have to think about it once the time comes, and you'll be ready to execute, which is the most important thing. So hope you guys like this video. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Like I said before, I have a free guidebook for you guys out now, so you can just sign up for that. It's completely free, and you can get 25 of my most commonly used strategies to optimize your workspace and your schedule and pretty much your life. So hope that I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.